Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the PANTRY CHECK app review in order to see if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The PANTRY CHECK app gives you a powerful way to track exactly what's in your pantry, freezer or fridge, completely with a barcode scanner, custom storage locations and expiration date reminder. It also builds smart shopping lists based on what you already have, so you avoid overbuying and reduce food waste. But the app is not perfect. The free trial only lets you track up to 200 items, so serious shopper may hit limit unless they paid for pro plan. Some users also mention occasional syncing or database hiccup when adding less common product. In my opinion, Pantry Check is worth using if you want serious pantry organization and want to cut down on waste and grocery trips. So if inventory is small for you, or if your inventory is small, or you only care about a handful of steps, simpler app might do the job just fine for you. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.